You start to trust.
Yeah, I trust you. I mean, we send you out on missions alone. It's just, you have a lot to learn. I mean, sometimes you have to give up what you want for the greater good. See, that's the difference between a good librarian.
A little bit too much in a reach.
And a great librarian.
Espresso!
You know, is something else bothering you?
No, I've got you working.
Ow. Hurt.
Hello? Mom? You got a message that you want me to stop by?
She's following me.
Oh, my God. God has gone to hell.
Oh, 32 years old. I don't believe it. What thing? Birthdays and nonsense. Who doesn't like birthdays? Oh,
Lord, these people.
That's it?
relatives, the girls from
Get the hot dog. Get the hot dog.
Why do you keep your life so secret? I don't know why. Though there's someone I want you to meet. Yes.
No, Mom.
I know, but this one's perfect. Perfect. Oh.
Careful, you're gonna pull it out. Oh, that's what I was doing.
Rose, I'm getting goosebumps just looking at the two of you. Hello, Flynn. Happy birthday.
You're Rose Edwards.
Yeah, it's charming.
Would you excuse us for 1 second?
Sure. What's wrong? Too skinny?
She's my cousin.
She's your cousin. You'll have plenty to talk about. Honey, it's your birthday. Relax, relax.
What the hell?
So how's it?
She's having
I need a big drink. Can I have anything else?
Yeah.
Excuse me, 1 second.
I hope you're old enough to drink that.
What are you doing here? Thought you were in South America.
In the fall, and I came back early. I couldn't miss the opportunity to see your mother embarrass you.
Oh, you have no idea. She's out there trying to fix man.
Why get this off?
Coming up some at fall. That sounds exciting.
Congressman, there's a lot of money to be made.
There you go, chew it off.
You ever want a job? If you get out of that stuffy library job.
Get the hot dog. Get the hot dog.
I'm okay.
Right. Anyway, excuse me. Furniture wasn't the only thing I picked up in Nepal. Happy birthday, kiddo.
It's stretched. It's not far enough.
I figured you'd know more about it.
No, it's almost there. It's almost. Wait, it keeps moving. No. It doesn't. It's really moving.
That was, what, 38 years ago.
She's starting to get smart by finding the wood.
You're the best right off the bat. After the war, you did. He left her off with me. You bastard.
Get the hot dog.
You know, in the hospital right after you were born, your dad made me swear that I would take care of you if anything ever
Oh, come on.
happened.
No.
Now, I know I've said it before. I just want to remind you I'm there for you. If you need me.
Aww. Just give her the hot dog.
No,
give her the hot dog.
No, come here. Come on now. Let's join the party. Oh, the three of us can do a number together.
We're going to need this.
It was pinched over it. It won't. That's no. It was pinched over it. Just give her the hot dog.
Here you are. Oh, finally everyone left.
It has to be on the wood.
You all right?
Yeah, I'm just looking at some old pictures.
There's the hot dog.
This day was really hard for you.
I'm thinking about him all day. He was 32 when he died. I'm 32 now. And I feel like I didn't even know who he was.
It keeps moving.
He was a dress salesman from Brooklyn and he loved his family. Now what more did you need to know?
Him. He's gone all the time. This useless information at the tip of my fingers. I can't tell you one thing about him.
You gotta show this to Dad.
Very special.
And the joke about it and say this was the Carson family seal, that we were descended from kings.
Aww. Just a hot dog. Okay, stop.
Paul was standing there in case the alligator tried to get back to the water.
Damn it.
This alligator was jumping, spinning. He was very aggressive.
Don't help me. Ah, she got it. Snickers, are you happy now? Snickers, you happy now? Are you happy?